Thanks to Ivan's 3-step push-button system, I was able to quit my job, buy this brand new home, and after 4 months, I'm officially a millionaire.
I'm now driving my dream car. Thanks to Ivan's 3-step push-button system, and in 6 months, I have stuffed my bank account with $1.2 million.
In just 3 short weeks, I went from almost declaring bankruptcy to being completely debt-free. And I even have money to spare. Just look at that. Over $153,982.09 just sitting in my account. This wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for Ivan's push-button millionaire system.